Hey guys, just an updated video on the Foxeer Micro Predator 4 video that I put out a couple weeks back. They sent me a new camera. They said that the one that they sent me previously had some sort of an issue with it and the image seemed to be off to them. Of course, I looked at the image myself and also compared it to this footage that you're going to see here after I speak, and it looked the same to me, so I'm not really exactly sure what's up with that, but they wanted me to put out an updated video, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I actually flew it again with the updated camera, and yeah, you let me know if you see any major differences between this one and the other one. Other than the fact that it's a different day, the lighting conditions might be a little bit different. But other than that, yeah, let me know if you see any major differences between the original video and this video, or the video footage you'll see in a second here, and let me know in the comments below. I'm just curious if anyone can tell the difference or not. That's it for this one, just an update, and this is I guess the final production version of the Micro Predator 4.